Okay guys, so this is what's come today. It's my SC project exhaust for my S1000rr. Yeah, let's unbox it and see. I have opened, or just cut the labels anyway, so we'll just see what's inside. Doing this one-handed, so forgive me. World Champion exhaust, made in Italy. So we got instructions. This is the heat shield. Heat shield and Jubilee. Clip. That's a heat shield, carbon fibre. Nice. And then yeah, Jubilee clip and mounting. And then oh, whoa, that is nice. Right, let's get it fitted. I'll probably do a video with stock exhaust, and then I'll do a video with this fitted. So I only did a cat back just because I was told by my BMW dealer that it would void warranty deleting the cap. So yeah, we'll get this and have a listen. So, I've got detailed instructions of how to fit it all. So, it's a little bit chilly in the UK, it's about 6 degrees at the moment, but it's dry. So, we'll get it fitted and go from there. So, for this nut here, I'm just going to need a 10mm bit. It fits there nicely. Onto there like that. That's it, push it all the way home. So up a little bit. Do that and drop it. And carbon fibre So the original one came with a bracket on the back. That bit's going to come out. So what I've done here is the original one. It's got a screw hole here, and I've screwed it into that. So I just need to take it apart again. Start again. So bear with me. Right, so now we're going to do this up down here before we put the carbon fibre shield on. I said to you, 10mm fit fine. Tight. So I'm just having problems with this clip because it's a bit tight to the exhaust there. So there's like little lugs that he's fitting. It was just a bit tight to here, so we just bent out a little bit just to fit it on the back there. And then next, we've got these screws, and then we've got plastic washers that sit behind on these clips here, and sit behind on these ones here. So pop screws through. And there we go. SC project exhaust put in. Let's start it up and see what it sounds like. that's the SC project on the S1000rr fitted and installed. And yeah, I'm pleased with that. It's really good considering it's just an end cam, so and it looks good too. Alright guys, I'll see you later. Bye.